main concept in our app is trying to fix the sewage and feces problem going into our streams and rivers. This is important because it leads to E. coli in the water supplies. Our app is unique because instead of having the user reading information on what they can do to change the environment, they physically have to go out and make the change. To get background knowledge about this topic, we had to look back at all the recent studies done in upstate New York that involve E. coli. The case studies of E. coli told the reason that E. coli occurred in this certain region. There were different reasons for the E. coli to be created. For instance, Million Dollar Beach in Lake George was closed for a part of the summer because of the spread of E. coli in the water. The app can be used by anybody over the age of 12. While using the app, there will be a screen showing where there is a problem with E. coli in Lake George. Once you get to the locations, you drop your location in the app for proof that you were there. When the location is dropped, a game will pop up on the phone with a cause for the E. coli in the specific area.
The object is to try and eliminate the cause on the phone to gain knowledge of how E. coli can be decreased in the actual world. Now that the game is completed and the area is free of E. coli, the player gains a point. This is a fun way to gain knowledge about decreasing the causes of E. coli in Lake George while racing friends for points. In the app, a user will go from location to location and find a didactic at that location. On the didactic, it will state the problem in this area. The user will then have to try to solve the problem. If the user couldn't solve the problem, then they could just type a paragraph on how in the future they could try and solve the problem. At each location, you will drop your location for proof that you are there. Then a game will pop up on your phone specific for that location. It will show a cause of E. coli and the user must try and find a way to eliminate it on the phone. The app will teach people on how their environment's problems can be fixed based on their doing in the environment. Users will then learn that doing little things for their environment will create a big change.